In the bustling heart of our cities, a hidden world thrives, filled with creatures that have adapted to urban life in unexpected ways. From the resourceful raccoons rummaging through trash bins to the peregrine falcons nesting on skyscrapers, urban wildlife is a testament to nature's resilience. These animals often go unnoticed, yet they play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Pigeons, often dismissed as mere pests, actually help in seed dispersal, while bats control insect populations. As cities expand, these animals adapt, finding food, shelter, and even thriving in habitats drastically different from their natural ones. Understanding and appreciating these urban dwellers can foster coexistence, reminding us that nature is never far away, even amidst concrete jungles.